Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In our last video, we talked about how to create an Upstart account. Today, we're taking the next step on applying for a loan on Upstart. So if you're looking for a personal loan and want to know how to complete the application process the right way, stay tuned. Let's get started. So once you've created your account and logged in, you're going to be taken to the Upstart dashboard. From here, just click on check your rate to start your loan application. Upstart will guide you through a series of questions to determine your eligibility, and the first step is to enter personal information. So you're going to need to provide your full name, your date of birth, as well as your social security number. This helps Upstart to verify your identity. You got to make sure that your information is accurate, as any discrepancies could slow down your application process. The next step is to enter contact and address information. So next, Upstart is going to ask for your contact information, including your phone number, your email address, and your home address. So this is going to help Upstart to determine if loans are available in your state and where to send important notifications. So the third step is to enter employment and income details. Now, Upstart will ask about your employment and income, and this is the key factor in getting approved for a loan. You're gonna need to enter your current employer, or you could select self-employed or unemployed if it's applicable to you. You're also going to need to enter your job title, as well as your annual income and any additional sources of income that you have. Be as detailed as possible, because Upstart may request documents to verify this information later. Now, the fourth step is to choose your loan amount and purpose. So now it's time to choose how much you want to borrow. And Upstart loans allows loans ranging from $1,000 to $50,000, depending on your credit worthiness. So after selecting your loan amount, you will need to choose the loan purpose. So a couple of options are here. You have debt consolidations, home improvements, medical expenses, wedding or special events, moving expenses, and a lot more. So just go ahead and select your loan purpose. So make sure to select the option that best matches your specific needs. Now, the fifth step is soft credit check and loan offers. So after entering your details, Upstart will perform a soft credit check, which does not affect your credit score, by the way. So based on this check, Upstart will generate personalized loan offers with different loan terms. Could be 3 to 5 year repayment plan, or as well as interest rates and monthly payments. So take your time reviewing these options before moving forward. The sixth step is selecting a loan offer. So once Upstart presents your loan offers, you can compare them and select the one that best fits your current financial situations. You want to look for the total cost of the loan, including interest. Also, you want to look out for the monthly payment amount, as well as any fees like an origination fee. So once you're satisfied with your choice, click continue to move on to the final step. Now, the next step is to upload required documents. So before Upstart finalizes your loan approval, they may ask you for some supporting documents. This could include a copy of your government issued identification card, such as driver's license, or it could be a passport or whatever. They're also going to need a proof of income. So this could be recent pay stubs, or tax returns, or bank statements. You might also need proof of employment, and that's your employer's verification letter, or it could be a W-2 form. So go ahead and upload these documents quickly to avoid delays in processing your loan. And the eighth step is going to be reviewing and signing the loan agreement. So once your documents are verified, you're going to be asked to review and sign your loan agreements. Now, this document outlines your loan amount and repayment plans. It also outlines your interest rates and total repayment costs, as well as any fees or penalties. Now, do make sure that you read everything carefully before signing. If you have any doubts, Upstart customer support team can answer your questions. Now, the ninth and final step is loan approval, and fund disbursements. Now, after signing, Upstart will finalize your loan approval, and if everything checks out, your loan funds will typically be deposited into your bank account within 1 to 3 business days, and you're going to receive an email notification once the funds are on their way. And that's it. We're now successfully applied for a loan on Upstart. The process is quick and straightforward, but always make sure to borrow responsibly. Now, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more Upstart guides. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to manage and repay your Upstart loan efficiently. So stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.